Hello student, I am Deepika Majumdar, your accountancy teacher. So today's topic is Unit 1. Okay, the Unit 1 is your accounting for the non-for-profit organization. Okay, so let's start. Okay, so first before starting any sum about the non-for-profit organization, you have to know what is the exactly the non-for-profit organization. As the name said, non-for-profit organization means what? It's a organization non for the profit. Okay, so go through the line here. Non-for-profit organization are the organization which are set up for the welfare of the society or for the promotion of the arts and culture in the society. Okay, and these are usually set up as a charitable institution with the service motive. Okay, first here up to this, what it said here, the non-profit organization are the organization which is set up for the welfare of the society. Means what? As I told you, the non-for-profit organization means what? They are not working for the profit. They are working for what? Welfare of the society. And for what? The promotion of the arts and culture. Okay. So what kind of organization these are? These are the charitable institution. These are the charitable institution. So as we know, the charitable institution is a one kind of club. Yes, in our every locality there is one club. They promote what? Culture. They promote the art. They create one event of some art competition, then the culture related, like a music competition, this that. Yes, sometimes they create one, a football match. Yes, so these are the non-for-profit organization. Okay, the next line, see, the trustee manages. Now, the trustee manage this organization. Who is trustee here? Normally you have to know the trustee is whom. Trustee তোমালোকে এটোৱে ধৰি লোৱা, trustee is the person who deals with the money. Okay, কোম্পানীৰ যোনে money related কামবিলাক চাই আছে, এটোৱে আপাতত তোমালোকে ধৰি লোৱা যোনে কাম related চাই আছে, they are trustee. For the time being হেটোৱে বুঝি লোৱা. Okay, what is the trustee? Okay, so the trustee manages the organization. তাৰ মানে আমি ভাবিলো যে যোনে মানি লৈ পেলাই কাম কৰে সিহঁতেই trustee. Yes, so these are the they manages the what? They manages the organization. The member of the organization elect the trustee. So who is here the member? যেনেকুৱা in a company there is a partner, in a in a partnership firm there is a partner, in a company there is a member. So in this club also, in this organization also, the owner is called a member. Okay, so that member elect the whom? Elect the person trustee. Okay, acha. Next is the non-profit organization raise the fund for its member as well as the general public for the meeting their objective. Means what? See, for as because it is not for profit organization, their first motive is not to earn the money, isn't it? So they collect the fund from whom? Obviously from the member for promoting the art culture. মই যে ক'লো এটা ইভেন্ট ক্ৰিয়েট কৰিব, they sponsor one football match. Yes, so সেইবিলাক যে কাম কৰিব, they need a fund, but where they get from this fund? From his members as well as the general public. How they give the how the general public give the money to the non-profit organization? They provide some donation. You heard about the donation? Yes, so the organization raise the fund from its member as well as the general public for the meeting their objective. Their objective is what? Promotion of the art and culture, welfare for the society. Okay, so for this they get the fund from the members. Okay, so the next slide. Okay, the next slide said the main motive of this organization is to provide the service. As I already told you, the main objective is to provide the service. However, they may earn the profit in due course. Sometimes in the course means due course means by providing of the services. মই যে ক'লোঁ যে এটা সেয়া কৰিলে দ্যাট ৱাজ ফুটবল এটা ইভেণ্ট কৰিলে যে ফুটবল মেচ কৰিলে তো দ্যাট ফুটবল মেচত দে কালেক্ট দ্য ডোনেশ্যনছ ফ্ৰম দ্য পাব্লিক দে কালেক্ট দ্য মানি ফ্ৰম দ্য মেম্বাৰ্ছ they deposit it, then they spend for the honor to coach, then to provide some jerseys and the dresses to the players, isn't it? So after giving some expenses and after getting the money from the members and the public, they earn some profit also. Yes, so in this due course they may earn the profit. Generally this organization do not manufacture, purchase or sell the goods or provide the services. They are like a other organization, they do not manufacture. কিবা এটা ম্যানুফ্যাকচাৰ কৰা নাই, ক'তবা পাৰচেজ সেল সিহঁতে কৰা নাই, কিবা সাৰ্ভিসও প্ৰভাইড কৰা নাই. This service is not this service is not that welfare services. This service means in a salonot ki hoy, salonot hiyote service provide kori, they get the money, that kind of services like a lawyer, doctor, this kind of services. Okay, don't confuse it with this societal services. Okay, so generally this organization do not manufacture, purchase or sell the goods and services, so they do not prepare what trading and profit and loss account. Okay, they credit the fund received to the capital fund or the general fund. As it is not a company, as it is a like a club, so hiyote ki koribo, they collect the money from the members, from the general public. So for getting that by receiving that fund, they transfer this fund to the which account, that is the capital account and the general fund. Okay, যেতিয়া আমি সাম কৰিম হেবিলাক তোমালোকৰ ক্লিয়াৰ হৈ যাব. ফৰ আন্ডাৰষ্টেণ্ডিং this non-profit organization, just বুঝি লোৱা কি they are not prepared the trading and profit and loss account, or যিখিনি funds সিহঁতৰ collected হয় from the members, from the public, they deposit that fund to the capital fund or the general fund. Okay, the next slide. Another line is said that as we know, the non-profit organization do not trade in the goods and provide the services with the profit motive. Already I told you in the last slide, that is they are not do any paid or provide any services with the profit motive. Profit motive kori pele hiyote ko business no kore, but they also require to keep the proper records of income, expenses, assets and liabilities, because as I told you ki hiyote jodi suppose hora eta football match ইভেণ্ট এটা অৰ্গেনাইজ কৰিছে, চ' দেয়াৰ ইজ চাম ইনকাম হ'ব, তাতে কিবা এক্সপেঞ্চেছ হ'ব, তাতে কিবা এছেটছ কিনা হ'ব. য়েছ, লাইক ছাপ'জ দে পাৰ্চেজ চাম চেয়াৰ্ছ ফৰ দ্য কোচেছ, তো সেই চেয়াৰবিলাকতো সি পেলাই নিদিয়ে, সি ক্লাবত থৈ দিব, পিছত যেতিয়া আকৌ ইভেণ্ট হ'ব দে ইউজ দেট চেয়াৰ্ছ অলছ'. তো দিজ আৰ দ্য এছেটছ, চাম লাইবিলিটিজ আৰ অলছ' ক্ৰিয়েটেড. চ' for this they have to require to records of all these income, expenses, assets and liabilities. Okay, so their major source of income, another more thing is important, that is their major source of income is what? Donation, subscription, grants, etc. As I told you, this is a what? As I told you, this is a club, isn't it? So club or main income to core pora hibo. They are not doing their business for getting the profits, so where they get their income. So the main sources of the income is the donation. As I told you ki public e jodi kono clubot kiba paisa dibo bisare, to this is called a donation for promoting the art culture, kiba ta art competition korile, so normal eta public e kiba ta donation koribo pare, that donation is their income. Same type of the subscription, it's a very important term which we use in the sum also. Okay, that is subscription. Subscription means for running of the club, every time ami public or pura donation na pao, so in that cases we receive every year, okay, recurringly we receive the money from the members. Member give that means the member gives some money to the club for working of that club বুঝি পালা working কৰাৰ কাৰণে ক্লাবটো বা ক্লাবটো চলিব কাৰণে মেম্বাৰছে sometimes কি sometimes নহয় এটো ৰেকাৰিংলি হিতে পইচা পেমেন্ট কৰি থাকে ইয়াৰলি কোৱাৰ্টাৰলি they paid some money to the club for running of their club okay so this is called a subscription very important ha etu amar samot lagibo then the grants means sometimes government give the grants to the club so these are the things okay the most of their transaction are in cash and through the bank account as because key these are all the legal procedures so they generally most of the transactions are in a cash or the bank account okay next is so this organization required to prepare the final account as I told you ki they are required to keep the records of the income expenses assets and liabilities isn't it so ebilakor records rakhibo hole they have to prepare some final account and the final account or maybe it's called a financial statement at the end of the year okay as per the accounting principle hisabot as it is a non-profit organization but still it is an organization isn't it so for this they have to prepare what the final account or the financial statement okay what are the financial statement the club generally prepare okay so let's see the financial statement that they prepare is what receipts and payment account income and expenditure account balance sheet okay here we not prepare any trading account okay we just prepare instead of the trading account the receipts and payment account okay and the next is income and expenditure account and the third one is a balance sheet okay so in this class we just discuss about the income and expenditure account okay so income and expenditure ketaman features sale etu easy ho jabo tomar karone understand koribo karone ki sums keneka korim okay so let's check some feature of the income and expenditure account okay see here it is very important to understand the feature of the characteristics or the feature of the income and expenditure account as I told you ki this class is basically for the income and expenditure account okay so see the first one is the income and expenditure account prepared by the non-trading concern is very much like a profit and loss account prepared by the trading concern okay as I told you ki in this club they prepare only the three account that is receipts and payment income and expenditure and the balance sheet so here when we prepare the income and expenditure account you just remember how to prepare the profit and loss account okay if we know to how to prepare the profit and loss account we can easily do the income and expenditure is just like a profit and loss account but in a profit and loss account we find out the profit but income and expenditure account ami profit to no lao ei karone we just separately name this it is an income and expenditure okay first you remember it's just like a profit and loss account okay next it is always prepared at the end of the period which usually and but not always consist of 1 year that means what ki ami when it is in a company also when we prepare a profit and loss trading balancing we prepare at the end of the year that is the 31st March 2010-9 isn't it so at the end of the year ote ami ki korim hetu ami prepare korim okay clear okay next is number 3 the income and expenditure accounts expenditure of only the revenue nature are included in this account any income and expenditure of the capital nature is not included it's a very important one see revenue nature means recurring nature okay recurring nature means what yearly যেটো আমি yearly continuously কৰি থাকো মানে হেনকা নহয় কি if you take one example first okay it make you easy. See, wait, okay, take one example of a rent. Okay, rent to ki hoy আমি কি কৰোঁ ৰেগুলাৰলি পে'মেণ্ট কৰোঁ সেনেকুৱাটো নহয় এটা মাহত দিলা এটা ইয়েৰত দিলা নেক্সট ইয়েৰত নিদিবা নহয় পচিবল নহয় চ' আমি ইয়েৰলি ৰেণ্ট পে'মেণ্ট কৰোঁ yearly salary payment koro yearly depreciation provide koro so these are what these are the revenue nature that is means recurring in nature in same in the profit and loss also yes profit and loss ot ami ki likhu rent then salaries yes then what depreciation these are all is under the profit and loss account come under the profit and loss same as the income and expenditure account so we have to know ki in a income and expenditure account we only write the revenue nature we not write the capital nature yes capital nature means capital nature jodi koy tena hole kenoka hobo capital nature like if you purchase one furniture we cannot write here isn't it it's kind of a capital nature we write in a balance sheet yes we write the furniture account debited to cash isn't it the furniture is our asset we write in the balance sheet asset side it's a capital nature means what tumi regularly furniture kina nai after a long period of time we purchase one furniture so this is the capital nature am I clear so we just write the revenue nature of transaction in the income and expenditure account okay the fourth one is it determines the surplus or the deficits of income over the expenditure of the non-trading concern for the year. That means what as I told you in a profit and loss account why we prepare the profit and loss account to find out the profit but here you see when it is in the case of the income and expenditure account in case of income and expenditure account the profit we get we cannot write that profit as a net profit we write what that profit as a surplus বুঝি পালা that profit we write as a surplus যেটো আমার ব্যালেন্স উলাবো হেতু আমার কি বলি আমি ডিনোট কৰিম that is a surplus okay আৰু লস হলে আমি কি বলি হেতু হেৰি কৰিম that is deficit okay okay next number 5 the surplus of the deficit from the income and expenditure account is transferred to the capital fund see as we know when we prepare the balance sheet in your company so atumaloke ebilak already HS first year ot korisa how to prepare the balance sheet how to prepare the profit and loss account hebilak murot rakhi pelai income and expenditure to korile easy hoy jabo okay so when we prepare the balance sheet we write what capital plus what net profit remember so here also when we prepare the balance sheet of the what non-profit organization we also write what capital fund here we not write the capital exactly because it is not a company as because it is a non-profit organization we should write this is a capital fund in the last slide also I told you they transfer the credit to the capital fund isn't it so capital fund ami balance sheet ot likhim and we again plus what that is the surplus as I told you ki instead of the net profit we should write what surplus so obviously we add that surplus to the capital fund same as a balance sheet and profit and loss account okay okay and the sixth point is it does not start with the opening balance of cash and bank see in your receipts and payment account it starts with the what cash balance and bank balance but here in the income and expenditure account or it is not start with the what opening balance of cash and bank just you remember it okay and the 7 number it's a very important one it's a 7 number oh sorry wait okay see the 7 number is the last 7 number 7 number is a accrual concept it's a very important accrual concept take one example so it will clear okay accrual concept means suppose this is a salary Okay, salary in a question given in 2009 is 1000. Okay, but here in the question, in the last is in a question it is given in 2009 there is another 1000 salary which will pay in 2010. That means what? 2009 or 1000 at a salary ase, but in 2009 in a paragraph in a question it is written in 2009 there is another 1000 which is paid in 2010. Mane 2009 or salary to 2010 10th provide koribo. But you know ki jetia ami salary to likhim tetia ami only in 2009 or profit and loss by income and expenditure we cannot write only 1000. We should add plus outstanding salary, it is what? 1000. The total salary of 2009 is how much? 2000. That is called a accrual basis. Bujhi pala? Same case, in case of you heard about the word prepaid. Yes, prepaid means what? Already paid. Suppose any expenses, suppose it is interest given written is 300, yes, in 2009. Okay, in 2009 interest is given 200 which is already paid in 2008. বুজি পালা 2009 ত এটা 300 ইন্টারেস্ট কুৱেশ্যনত দিয়া আছে আকৌ ইন আ প্যাৰাগ্ৰাফ ইট ইজ ৰিটেন কি 200 ৰ আৰু এটা ইন্টারেস্ট এখিনিৰি হয় 2009 ৰি হয় বাট ইট ইজ অলৰেডি পেইড ইন 2008 দ্যাট মিন্স হোৱাট prepaid. তো আমি জানো if there is in case of the prepaid we should what less it prepaid money less, that is only 100. We should write interest only rupees 100. তোমালোকে already এখিনি জানা কি outstanding হলে কি হবো plus কৰিব লাগে, prepaid হলে কি কৰিব লাগে minus কৰিব লাগে, that is called a accrual basis. Okay, am I clear? So that accrual basis of accounting strictly follow hobo when we prepare the income and expenditure account. Okay, so let's start with one example which ki hobo tumalokor bujibolai easy hoy jabo. Okay, see, it's a very simple one. Okay, see here prepare the income and expenditure account for the year ended 31st March 2018 from the following. See, this is here it is written one income and receives and payment account. Here one receives and payment account is given. From this you have to prepare one income and expenditure account. First you just know ki expenditure to ami kar pora likhibo lagibo and income ami kar pora likhibo lagibo. If in a question of receives and payment account is mentioned, we just write simply income from the receipt side, we just write the expenditure from the payment side. Okay, so come to the payment side first. See, first you have to know ki we only write the revenue nature মানে regularly যেবিলাক payment হয়. So salary regular, so we here write the salary. Rent, here rent, same. Stationery, it is also the recurring, right here stationery. But defense bond, যদি defense bond থাকে তেনেহলে defense bond মানে কি? Defense bonds মানে তুমি এটা bond purchase কৰিছা, তো this is your what? Asset. If you purchase one bond, one share, this is your asset, so it will not come in the income and expenditure account. Same as a furniture, here it is also your asset. Bicycle is, it is also your asset. So these all are assets, so asset will not come in the income and expenditure account. Clear? তেনেহলে কি কি আহিলে? Salary, rent and stationery. Clear? Next, balance of cash. As I know in the characteristics, see, balance opening closing ekku amar income and expenditure of nahe. Okay, hoi gol. Now come to the receipt side. Okay, income, which is revenue in nature. First, subscription. Already I mentioned you what is a subscription. Subscription means the amount that is regularly received from the member. Yearly তুমি যেটো member পৰা receive কৰা for the running of the club, that is called a subscription. So we should write the subscription. Here it is 9,000. Just it's like this, balance of cash is 1,80,000, subscription is 9 lakh. Okay, acha see, so subscription is written here 9 lakh. Again, the sale of investment, what you sell, that is the asset you sell. We don't write any assets, liabilities, this that. Okay, if we sell the goods we can write it here, but see it is an investment case, so we cannot write in the income side because it is the asset. Same, the sale of old furniture, the sale of old furniture, again it is the furniture they are selling, so it is also asset. But see in the question it is written the book value is 40 and it is sold it for rupees 30, means what, etu to gome pala amount is 40, sale korisa 30, that means what, 10,000 is your loss, isn't it? So moi ki kolu, any profit, any loss, it is come under the income and expenditure account. As because it is a loss, it is come under the debit side. So the loss on sale of furniture is how much, that is 10,000. Okay, clear? Again I repeat, what ki as because it is the old furniture we sell, we cannot write the amount of old furniture, but here the book value is given, again the sale price is given, so we can easily find out the loss or profit. So here we only write the loss. The last one is a donation. As I told you, the donation is the public is generally given the donation. If it is mentioned the donation for the construction of the building, so they particularly provide the donation for the construction of the building. But here the donation is this normal donation, কোনো specify করা নাই যে কিহর কারণে donation দিছে, তো these are the regular donation. Okay, so we should write the donation here. Okay, so same আমি সব বিলাক put করিলু. Now we balance it, we know how to balance it. First, this is a credit side is a big one, 9,10,000, you write here, 9,10,000, you write here. Then we deduct 9,00,000, 4,80,000, 50,000, 20,000, 10,000 from the 9,80,000. The remaining figure is how much? 3,50,000. So 3,50,000 is my what? That is our surplus. বুঝি পালা? This is called a surplus, not the net profit. বুঝি পালা? So you know how to balance it. So first credit side to plus kori pela etu dangor hoy, dangor to ami duta fale likhi dim, tar pisot jikhini amar ki ase heri ase ki bole tomar this side ase salary, rent, stationery jibilak ase hebilak gutei khini minus korar pisot jikhini remaining figure to thaki jabo, that is called our ki balancing figure. To hi balancing figure tot amar ipine ahile ami ki boli likhu, that is called a surplus. বুঝি পালা? Okay, so I think I am done with this. Okay, so thank you.